Hi, my name is AJ Nidek. I'm one of the sales leaders here at the Tutco Heating Solutions Group. What we're going to talk about today is one of our custom control panels. We have a client that needed a very large heater for turbine testing, so we developed this panel specific to their needs. You have all your alarms on the outside, the heater on, your OTP high limit, your low flow, and your emergency stop. And not that this Ratal enclosure isn't pretty, but what's inside is a lot more fun. Let's check it out. What you're looking at here are two of the four bays of a 1600 amp, 480 volt, three-phase control panel, top of the line components from ABB and Eurotherm. We make this right here in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina, test it here, and then ship it directly to the customer. If you're interested in this or any of our standard catalog panels, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching.